Hello guys, this is Just One Guy, and this is my update for the game I'm making called Dragonforged. I believe this is the fourth update, I believe, and I'm really liking this update because I finally finished my climbing system, and I got everything out. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of climbing and a little bit of parkour, and this is like one of the little things I added that I really like, that turned out really good. He can slide under stuff now, and there's not a script on that. You can slide under anything. The actual collider shrinks when he does it, which is good. You can sprint around. You can climb up the wall at certain points. I've actually got a dedicated climb button now. So you can go off this. And the game is just a lot more mobile. And this one is supposed to be a ladder. I know I don't have the visuals here yet, but this was just a testing phase to get the climbing all worked out. And the climbing works really good now. Everything's animated. You can see he actually runs up the wall. Actually has a little bit of bounce. Oh, when he hangs. I forgot the wall run. Before, you can only wall run like this, but now you can wall run sideways. Ooh. And you can see you can actually wall run into a climb. Jump up, climb. You can even go around the wall. And I haven't set this up to work with a keyboard yet. Well, it works on the keyboard, but not well, because I mostly use the controller, and it works extremely well on the controller. And I'm just really proud of that system. Go up, down. Yeah. Yeah. It's got some glitches to it. Like that one. That wasn't supposed to happen. Or that. Which I have to work out. But in general, it's pretty much done. And I just really like the system. Okay, what else did I make that was new? I think I added some more animations to this. I forgot. You can now go on ledges too. So we'll run into this. And if you hang down, you can actually go from side to side. And what I'm going to do next is actually add combat into this, where you can fire a bow from this position or swing at your enemy, as is my original intent. Because when you go on one of these climb points over here, I want you to be able to glitched out there for a minute. I want you to be able to hang down, and then you can actually fight like that and jump from climb point to climb point on the wall while fighting a person. It chooses now to glitch up. But in general, the climbing system does work really well. And I'll continue to refine it, but I like everything so far. And it goes really well into the parkour system. You can slide under things. You can climb over stuff. Which got that working out really well. And this will go really well with characters that climb around in the game, which are going to be like a ranger type character. Oh, yeah. See, if you hit a regular wall, he runs up it. But if you hit a small wall like this, he'll climb over it. And I think, I forgot I added a debug system, which is really cool because now you can slow down the game speed. Let's just slow it down. Slow it down to about a fourth. And now you can do little things like slow motion. Slide. It's pretty cool. Jump. And this system just works really well with the controller, I feel. I was trying to emulate something like the Assassin's Creed system, but I didn't want to copy it directly because I felt it was too automatic, and it kind of limited you from if you really wanted to climb around. because I've been playing a lot of Assassin's Creed lately, and I find a lot of times if I'm going up a building, I get stuck and I can't go to the exact point I want to climb on, which my system doesn't have. But to their credit, I don't have their animations and the way their system is smooth. But another cool thing about this system that I've created, if you zoom in, you can see his hands are in the exact right position. Even when he goes up like this, which is something I didn't expect. And that's about it for this update. Thank you for watching.